Okay, so can we see the screen? Can we all see the screen clearly? And can you hear me clearly?
Please, can you increase the volume?
The volume. Oh, okay. Hold on, please. Nice. Around. Sorry, a minute, please. Let me check why the volume went. Can you hear me clearly now?
From my end, it's clear.
That means it's going to be a network because I don't think I have any problem with this volume control. But I can still increase it. So just a minute, please. My volume is in 100. Can you hear me clearly now? Hello?
Yeah, from my end, it's okay.
Okay, all right. So let me get back. All right, so let's do this one quickly. Used. Now you're just to select, choose the correct front panel connector for each description. So what characteristics is used to audibly indicate the computer status. If there is a hardware problem, a series of diagnostic beeps is issued to indicate the type of problem. So which one should we check?
Is it randomly or by group?
Group A, group B. We have a lot of it. Except you want to go and do it as an assignment. Because that's the last thing we have for the.
Listen, we can't hear you clearly. I don't know. Miss Fint here.
You can't hear me clearly, right?
No.
Can you hear me clearly now?
I can hear, but it's very faint.
So why is that one happening? That one is a network. Hold on, please. Okay, you know what's going to happen? You know what we're going to do? We're going to take this as an assignment. Group A, Group B, you do all. This is going to be one of the assignment. Now, please, this assignment will be done because we're not having any class this week. We're only having revision before Saturday. Okay, so the revision we're going to be having is going to be, I don't know if it's going to be on the Clubhouse or something, but I need us to discuss further. Okay, to plan towards the lab. So I want this to be an assignment, which on Wednesday we're going to look into it. Is that okay?
It's all right.
All right, all group, take note, please. Then let's move to the last lab, which we'll be adding to the lab we'll be doing. Then we move to this should be the last video. So let's watch the last video on the now you've assembled everything from the beginning to the end. Now you want to couple the system together. So that's what I want to talk about now. So what are the steps that you have to note to complete your computer assembly? One, you have to reattach the front panel. You have to plug the power cable into the power supply. You have to unrent and connect USB cables to USB ports. You have to unrent and connect the video cable to the video port on the video. You have to tighten the video cables. Okay, so let's watch the video.
Hello everyone, in this video we're going to reassemble our case and then we're going to install our external cables. To get started we have the front of our tower here and we'll put on our front cover. Now remember the front cover just had these locking clips on the side, so we just need to line it up and all we need to do is push down in the corners. And now the front case is locked. We've got our USB ports, our headphone, and our mic port. Also on the front here, we also have our
You see the Irish cut is by the right, by your left when you are coming. Then the small gate. So inside that gate is as well. Okay. Have a network problem.
Hello everyone, in this video we're going to reassemble our case and then we're going to install our external cables. To get started we have the front of our tower here and we'll put on our front cover. Now remember the front cover just had these locking clips on the side, so we just need to line it up and all we need to do is push down in the corners. And now the front case is locked. We've got our USB ports, our headphone, and our mic port. Also on the front here we also have our DVD disc drive that we installed. I can turn this on its face. And now we can do our external cables. So for this part I'll take off my anti-static wrist strap. And I can take my power cord. And I can just slide the plug in here. And you shouldn't have to force any one of these cables as you install the cables to the back of your tower. I got a USB for my keyboard. These you do have to align, so take a close look regarding how you need to align it. You'll see the correct end to slide in. Then I have another USB, so this is my keyboard mouse combo. And again we'll take a look at the alignment of the USB and plug it in. Also at this time I have my graphics cable. For me I have a DVI connection. The DVI is going to go to my white port here on my graphics card we had installed. So I'll plug that in. And we've got two screws on that. We can just easily screw it until it's snug. You don't need to over tighten these. It's not going to fall out. Lastly, I have an audio cable and I have my network jack. I'll plug in my network jack to my Ethernet port. Then my audio cable is green for my speakers out. And I'll plug that in my green speaker out port. Our external cables are installed. Last thing, we take a look at the side. It's still open. We need to close it up with the cover. With the cover, it's just going to slide on. You can see the slots here along the top that we're going to lock it into. Just going to rest it in. You can shift it and feel it to slide into place. And then there should be no force really needed here. Just slowly slide it forward. Then I have my locking screw. But now I can just close that by hand. And then I can give it a little bit of a snug tighten. And again, we don't need to over tighten that. And now we're done. Our case is put back together. It is ready to go. Thank you for watching our video.
All right, so thank you. So that's just the video for how to assemble computer. Okay. So on Wednesday, what we're going to do, can you hear me clearly? What we're going to do like a revision, okay? Then we'll now prepare for the lab. So if you have any question, please, you can ask. Any question, please? So that's the summary. So that's chapter 3. Do we have any question? All right, so we'll have a repeat of what we have done and prepare for this. So I'll be sending you to the group the list of tools we need to buy and the amount. So thank you, everyone.
Good night, everyone.
Yeah, good night.
Good night.